tired of the drama. You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the daytime. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
On pühapäev, on emadepäev, minul on uni alles silmas, sest eile me olid tüdrukud külas ja me istusime mingi kella, ma ei tea, 2-3. Aga jah, ma olen üleval, see kell on, meil on mingi 10 paiku äkki praegult kell. Ja ma olen üksinda kodus ja hakkan toimetama, sest et Ragnar peaks millalgi varsti jõudma tagasi koju. Ta käis pojaga Saaremaal kalal. Ja täna on emadepäev, nii et täna on vaja ka enda lastega kokku saada ja tegelikult me saame veel kokku ka siis minu emaga, Ragnari emaga ja minu lisaemaga, et teeme väikse jalutuskäigu Pärnu linna peal. Ma loodan, et ilm läheb natuke ilusamaks, seal tuleb päike ka välja ja siis me läheme sööma, et natukene midagi muud moodi teha seda emadepäeva tähistamist. Aga enne jah, ma natukene kodus toimetan, sest ühte asja on küll täna hommikul vaja teha ja see on põrandate pesemine, nii et ma hakkan nüüd neid pesema. Ja siin ma nüüd siis olen, põrandad on pestud, kodu on korras, pesud ka pesevad ja mõtlesin, et vaatan enda lemmikuid asju, ehk siis Krimit, ma ootan nüüd Ragnarit koju, et lihtsalt vedelen ja puhkan veits.
Not used to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not, but better let myself give in to love, believe in us no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste these moments, they're like poets to me.